Why teach your kid two languages? In a country like India, being bilingual is a skill because studies suggest that being bilingual is beneficial as it increases their vocabulary, instills open-mindedness, and increases their ability to focus. The best way to teach your kid multiple languages is through personal communication, aka talking and reading. In India, you can do so by using dual language books. They are filled with vibrant illustrations and are easy to access. So, the next time your kid wants to read a story, hand them one of the books from the list below. Little Red Riding Hood. This version of the Little Red Riding Hood is published by HarperCollins India. This fairy tale series comes in both English and Hindi. The story, written by Grimm brothers, revolves around the adventure of a little girl in her red hood as she goes to her grandmother's house. The 32-paged book is one of the best dual language books for children of all ages. Look Up, bilingual picture book. One of the best dual language books for children. This book, written by Kavita Punyamurthy, is filled with bright colors and cheerful illustrations to make both the parents and the children happy. You can read this book to your kid or can help them read it themselves. The story is about two kids, Mimi and Gulu, who lie on a green hill and watch clouds. Watch them discover and imagine different shapes and objects that they see in the clouds. My Best Friend, written by Anupa Lal and illustrated by Suvidha Mistry. This colorful and short book is best designed for preschool reading level. It is available in English and Hindi and will help you teach the basics of both languages to your little one. The story shows your child what are the best friends and how to know if they already have one. This is a perfect bedtime reading material. Anna and Chenna. Anna and Chenna are written by Soumya Rajendran and comes in Hindi and English. This book is about how Anna the elephant discovers beauty in himself with the help of his friend Chenna the young. The book is written beautifully in both the languages and comes with fantastic and eye-catchy cover illustrations. It's My Color. Ita Amar Wrong. It's My Color or Ita Amar Wrong is illustrated by award-winning illustrator Nancy Raj. This book is written in English while the translation is done by Indrani Krishnayar. Each page is colorful and is the perfect mixture of whimsical art and fundamental information. Thus Then is a counting book aimed at preschoolers from the age of 1 to 3. Written by Pridhi, the book teaches your toddler the numbers both in Hindi and in English. This book is designed to provide an interactive experience as it is equipped with lift flaps and pull tabs that help your toddler learn while also engaging him in the best way possible. A Gift from the Sea. A Gift from the Sea is a dual language children's book in English and Telugu. It is about a little girl called Rani who spends a day at the beach searching for the perfect gift for her grandmother. This is one of the best dual language books for preschoolers. Teachers and parents can read this book with the kids and find out what item Rani decided to take back to her grandmother in the end. Baby Bibu Bear. Deepa Balsavar's famous Baby Bibu Bear teaches young kids the need to prevent animal cruelty. This book is written in English and Gujarati. It is the story of Bibu, a black sloth bear who lives in the jungle, but his friends and family aren't so lucky. They are caught by humans and are made to dance for their entertainment. This book features photographs that accurately capture the plight of these poor wild animals. This book will teach your kids to have compassion for both domestic and animals as they have feelings too. Mary Bindi. Mary Bindi is written by Anu Anand for kids aged between 3 to 5. This entertaining short story is written in both English and Hindi. It features two girls, Noor and Neel, and their tiger friend, Moochar Singh. Takes them on a journey through a colorful world where everyone is wearing bindis in numerous shapes and sizes. The Hindi words and English translation along with pronunciation make this book an ideal medium to learn the vernacular. Balu's Basket. Balu's Basket is a children's book for kids in preschool to nursery reading level. This story is written in both Hindi and English. It features a curious child Balu who comes across a basket. The story is about what is the basket and what Balu does with it. This book is filled with colorful and interesting illustrations that are sure to make your child reach for this multiple times. Conclusion. Knowing multiple languages can increase the cognitive abilities of your child. Being bilingual gives them an edge towards education and employment, as it is a much needed skill in a globalized world. Get them an interesting bilingual book or audiobook today and watch them prosper in life. What language are you most keen to teach your child? Let us know in the comments section below.